are one with the sound, one with the music. There is nothing else, nothing else. The mind is empty.
It's an indescribable feeling when you just dance from your soul and when you don't care about how the movements look.
You can be fully your authentic self, and you can be dancing, you can be crying, you can be laughing. Everything has just been absolutely sensational.
Liberation, freedom, when you reconnect with your inner power, with your masculine power, with your feminine power, and you just can be whoever you want here.
It's not just having fun, it's also about dealing with what's going on inside you, dealing with your transformation. You have like a better understanding of yourself.
And we just see each other and meeting each other for who we are, without the masks, without anything. So I feel very free when I'm here.
All the people gather together and hold one another and then sing from the heart and just share the beauty, share the music. I feel so warm inside and just connected to every single one.
Courage.